Okay.
Hey, hi, both of you. How are you doing?
Good evening.
Good
Yeah, good.
evening.
Good evening
Yeah,
again.
doing good. How about you? Is it all good?
I'm doing great. Nurbek, thanks for
No.
asking. How about you,
No.
Sadachan? How are you doing?
Okay.
Fine, so far so good.
Great. And yes, for our audience, I mean the viewers, those who are watching this video, for their sake, can we have our brief introduction, like who we are, name, something brief, and then
Ah,
yeah.
my name is Nurbek. I'm from Uzbekistan. I am studying at secondary school, number 31.
Mm-hmm,
I am in the ninth grade. I'm 16 years old.
mm-hmm. Great. Sadachan?
And uh, and it's Sadachan from Uzbekistan. I'm 16 years old and I study at a secondary school in the 10th grade. And we are here today to talk about the things stress the students most.
Yeah, in the classes.
Great. Great.
Yeah.
Thank you, both of you, for the brief intro. Yes, as you rightly mentioned, stress. What do you mean by stress according to both of you? Then we'll talk about the things which cause the stress and then how to overcome the stress. Now let's discuss
Uh,
what is stress according to you.
uh,
As you know, at schools there are always competitions among the students. You know, everyone wants to be the topper, everyone wants to get the highest grade.
Stress is personal,
Mm-hmm,
from my personal life
mm-hmm.
because for me, stress is a thing that people can't control
Yes.
yourself in this situation.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
What about you, teacher?
yeah.
For me, uh, stress, in my opinion, it's something when you take something too much seriously. Instead of putting things in action, we try to think more. Uh, we get stressed
Forcing.
not because of work pressure, it's because of overthinking of something.
Yeah.
Mm,
So that if somebody can overcome it, I'm sure they won't feel stress of doing things. For
really,
example,
really fit.
do you feel stress when you like? Let me ask you this: what is your favorite hobby, Sadachon?
You know, I'm into learning languages, especially foreign languages, and I have numerous hobbies. You know, I like changing my hobbies. It's
Okay,
changing my hobbies is my hobby, you know.
okay,
No,
I
great,
try everything. I want to try everything. I want to learn. I want to experience myself in every field.
great. And
uh,
Nurbek, what is your favorite hobby?
as I said before, I'm a maniac of football, playing football. Uh, I don't know
Okay.
why, but I really love the feeling in the pitch.
Mm-hmm.
When I playing football, I feel myself very relieved and don't think about my personal problems.
That's where that stress lies in, right? When we do
Yeah,
things which we like the most, we forget ourselves. We indulge into it.
yeah,
Hence, there is no stress. And
yeah,
we feel
Yeah.
stress when we indulge into something forcefully. When somebody
Yeah.
pushes into that, when somebody wants us to do something, that's when, or maybe we ourselves, when we want to achieve, when we are not that involved, that's when we feel stress. When you like something, for example, in my case, I like dance, I like watching movies.
oh,
When I do that such stuff, I don't feel stressed, I just forget time.
mm,
So when I
okay,
do something forcefully, that's when I feel stressed. I
mm,
mean,
That's the
that's one.
same.
Yeah, that's one thing.
That's the same with me when I try
Hmm.
to take pictures of nature. You know, I look
Yeah.
around, I try to find beauty everywhere.
Yes.
Like,
yeah,
you know, I look at the leaves and I try to find beauty and I try to capture it. And I want to mention that I ran a channel, a Telegram channel, where I post
Oh.
my pictures,
Hmm.
and
Great.
the link will be attached in the options for
mm,
new subscribers.
Sure. I think as you mentioned, we can add your channel when I
yeah,
upload this video.
Yeah.
And Nurbek,
I
yours
have
as
channel
well.
too.
Yes, yours as well, both of your channels, so that people from India and here they'll watch and they'll see and they'll follow
And
if
I'll be
they're
very
interested.
happy for support
Following.
and new
Sure,
subscribers. And thank
sure,
you in advance
no problem,
to my
no
new
problem.
subscribers.
That's great. I think
So,
I'm sure they'll follow it because they are curious about seeing things. You capture nature and other stuff because I follow your channel right on Telegrams. It's really good. You capture all
mm,
the beauty and natural things and all from the environment and all from the nature. It's good. And
It's like
Nubek, uh-huh.
it's like I feel myself relieving from the pressure from overthinking. It helps me to relieve
Yeah,
and recharge my mind.
true, true.
uh,
And Nurbek, what do you do on your channel?
uh, I mostly post pictures about my life, from about football.
Mm-hmm.
I often make videos, edit videos and posts, and
Great,
sometimes I will do live video in
great.
Telegram chat.
In fact, today I made my first YouTube live video. As I said, like some students from our school, they joined and they asked a few questions, and some people joined from India. It went
Mm,
for more than 50 minutes. I'm planning to do again tomorrow. I think at around 6 o'clock in the evening
okay.
tomorrow. I'm going to interact with people on live. I think you can plan such things like in our channels. I mean, you can reach more people out. You can explain the purpose of starting the channel. This way, people will be aware the purpose, what you're going to do. Okay, this way we
Okay,
can grow together and we can reach to many people. Yeah,
thanks for
Okay.
that advice.
welcome.
Mm.
And let's come back to the topic. Yes, you mentioned that you feel stress at that particular moment. And what is the solution? Do you have solution for these things? Can I
Uh,
have the solution for that?
for, for me, I mostly play football when I feel stressed. It
Mm-hmm.
it helps me to uh, go away from my problems and
Mm-hmm.
study problems, personal problems.
Mm-hmm.
When I feel stressed, I often play football.
Apart from
Uh,
that, do you follow any other tips like doing yoga, meditation,
uh,
relaxing at home, something, reading books, calmly sitting alone,
yeah,
such
yeah.
things?
I sometimes read books when I feel stressed.
Mm-hmm. That's great.
Uh,
And my meditation is cleaning the house. As
Mm.
oh,
it's girly stuff. It's normal girly stuff.
Yeah,
And I
listening the music.
mostly choose kitchen to clean. It's just very satisfying.
true, true.
And apart from that, I just get away from all studies, all homework. I try to forget about all that stuff and try to spend more time with my family
Mm-hmm.
or with friends. I go outside to play sometimes also.
Uh,
Hmm. What do you play apart from
Volleyball
taking
or
pictures? Mm-hmm.
street games.
yeah, street games. We have our national street games.
Yeah.
What
But
are
mostly
they?
I play volleyball.
Uh-huh.
Volleyball, and we have it's called in our horizon region, it's called urdi gurdi,
Urdi
Oh
gurdi.
yeah.
What is that? Sounds really something
Yes.
different.
Uh,
Uh,
someone needs to eliminate the people in the middle.
You know,
okay.
there are two people stands and
Each
there will
side
be there will be players between them and we show ball to them and
eliminate.
if we hit them they will go out.
Yeah.
Okay. I think in my village we had played this kind of games in the past. Yeah, I can relate to this
It's
game.
it's a popular game, but it has got several different names. So I mentioned that in Horizon region we called was Urdi Gurdi.
Urdi
Yeah.
gurdi. Apart from this,
Yeah.
do you want to suggest anything else? Those who take things seriously and stress themselves?
Mm.
Keeping the balance is important. We need to keep balance with the personal life and the
Mm-hmm.
professional and academic life. We have our
Yeah.
hobbies, interests.
True.
We need to keep balance between them.
True. That makes more sense. Yeah, indeed,
Yeah.
I
Nowadays,
agree. Yeah, Nurbek.
yeah. Nowadays people much more spend their timers in studying. For
Hmm.
that,
Hmm.
stress is common.
Yeah,
See.
yeah. At the same time, as Sadachan said, we need to balance both the
Yeah.
things. It's like life is not just about studies all the time
Personal life and
Yeah.
study.
and all the time personal time, right? We have to balance
We
both.
need to we need to live. We need to enjoy our life.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
And we need to, out of 24 hours, we need to divide how many hours
Yeah.
for what. This way, for
Time
how
management.
exactly
Like
for household chores, how much time can we assign for our personal things, for our personal happiness, for school, for homework, going out, spending time with friends, with family, right? Everything we need to
Yeah.
have certain plan. Like again, it's about time management, right? So this way we
yeah.
Yeah.
can eliminate all these kind of stress from ourselves.
Yeah.
For that I scheduled my daytime.
That's great. It's great.
But personally, I don't like daily routines. I just wrote things like to-dos, and then I do it by choice, you know. I do it the most favorites at first, moving to the least
Yeah, yeah,
favorites.
we
Yeah.
need to have that importance, whom to give like more priority, like top
Yeah.
priority, then less priority, not giving much priority based of the
Yeah.
urgency of the work. We need to assign the time and then manage that
Okay.
time management and all. That's when like it becomes easier,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, good, rightly
Yeah.
said. That's it. Thank you so much for sharing your views. I think we'll meet again in the another group discussion with some beautiful
Okay.
topic, maybe on climate change, about sports or foods,
Yeah.
maybe some other topics.
Okay.
Yeah, that's great
Thank you
interacting
for
with
it.
you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you also, teacher.
Thank you, both of you
Thank you.
again. We'll see you. Good night. Bye.
See you.
Good
Goodbye.
night.
Bye.
See you soon.
See you.